Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of preside. Be in the position of authority in a meeting or other gathering. For example, Bishop Herbainer presided at the meeting. The second definition of preside. Play a musical instrument, especially a keyboard instrument, at a public gathering. For example, Father Spellman, presiding, spoke to mourners of a great sadness in all our hearts today. American pronunciation. Preside. Preside. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Preside. Say. Preside. Preside means, be in position of authority in meeting or other gathering. Preside. Preside. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Many distinguished judges and barristers presided there. Now, repeat after me. Many distinguished judges and barristers presided there. The second practice. Native Tanzanians preside in all positions in major religions. Now, repeat after me. Native Tanzanians preside in all positions in major religions.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.